Hi guys, I'm Geetanjali. Welcome to my channel.
Be strong.
Click here to watch this video in Tamil. Today is Ganesh Chaturthi, an Hindu festival celebrating the arrival of Lord Ganesha to earth from Mount Kailash with his mother goddess Parvati. When my kids ask me, Mom, what's special today? I simply say it's Lord Ganesha's birthday. The festival is marked with the installation of Ganesha's clay idols, fasting, prayers, but most importantly, offering to Lord Ganesha what? His favorite food, sweets, modaks, etc. The festival ends on the 10th day when the clay idol is immersed in water, and the belief is that Lord Ganesha goes back to Kailasha to his mom and dad Shiva and Parvati. This Lord Ganesha idol was made by my daughter Anika using polymer clay, and she also hand painted this. And I'm going to use this Ganesha for the puja today. Today I'm going to make two recipes, which is actually a prasad for Lord Ganesha. One is a sweet made from sesame seeds. It's called Sesame Laddu, and the other one is called Kozhukattai, and it's made of rice. Today my mom is joining me to make the Sesame Laddu. This is a very famous sweet in my hometown, and today I'm also going to make the Kozhukattai recipe. That will be from me. We've added 1 cup of sesame seeds. Let's cook it until it becomes brown. Don't keep it on a high flame because the sesame seeds will get burnt. Let's cook it on a slow flame so it cooks thoroughly. Now the sesame seeds are roasted. Let's transfer this to a bowl. So mom is going to grind all the ingredients together once the sesame seeds comes to room temperature. So let me show you what are the things we need to grind together with the sesame seeds. 1 cup of jaggery, half cup of shredded coconut, 4 tablespoons of roasted Bengal gram powder, and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Let's blend the roasted sesame seeds until smooth, and also you can see the oil coming out of the sesame seeds. Now let's add the grated jaggery to the blender. Let's grind that along with the shredded coconut. Now let's add this mixture to the blended sesame seeds. To this I am adding roasted Bengal gram flour and the cardamom powder. Let's mix this well. Usually 4 tablespoons of roasted Bengal gram flour will be enough, but I used a new jaggery, so it looks like it's little watery, so I'm adding 1 tablespoon of roasted Bengal gram flour to the mixture. Let's mix this well. It's better to use hands because you can see the oil coming out of the sesame seeds. Let's roll it to a ball shape of this size. So our sesame laddu is getting ready. It just brings all the oil from the sesame seeds. You can see literally oil on my hands. And this has coconut, but mom says that you can just keep it outside, even not even in fridge, but it stays longer, like 5 to 10 days. Mom finished the sesame laddu. Now I'm going to make the Kozhukattai, which is made of rice. I've taken 1 cup of Ponni boiled rice. You need to soak that for 2 hours. So I've already soaked and washed, and I've kept it here. So I'm going to add the soaked rice into the blender, and also I'm going to add salt with this, and I'm going to blend it. So I'm adding salt now. I've just added some water, and I'm going to grind it again. Let's grind this to a consistency, not too soft. I've taken 1 sprig of curry leaves. Let's finely chop it. Also, let's chop 2 green chillies. I've taken a small piece of coconut. Let's chop finely. To this, I've taken a small onion. Let's chop that as well. Let's add 3 tablespoons of oil to a pan. Once the oil is hot, I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Channa Dal. And along with this, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of urad dal. Let's cook this in medium flame. Now I'm adding curry leaves and the green chilies along with this. I'm adding onion to this. We are offering this to God. If you're particular about it, you can avoid onion in this Kozhukattai. Once the onion is transparent, we can add the finely chopped coconut to it. Let's cook this for a minute, and once it's cooked, we can add the rice batter to this. Let's cook this on a medium flame and keep mixing like this. Once the batter is cooked, you can see the mixture not sticking to the pan. That's when we have to remove it. Let's heat water on a pan. I'm using a pressure cooker. Let's apply oil to the idli plates and let's shape like this. And now we're going to steam it. I'm going to steam this for about 8 to 10 minutes without adding weight to the cooker. It's about 8 minutes now. Let's see whether our Kozhukattais are ready. I'm using a fork to check if the Kozhukattais are cooked. Our Sesame Laddu, which mom made, and the Kozhukattai, both are ready. Lord Ganesha is waiting. We're going to go and do the puja right now. Om Gram Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gram Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gram Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gram. We offered Sesame Laddu and Kozhukattai to Lord Ganesha, and we just celebrated our Ganesh Chaturthi. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to you all.
Happy Ganesh Chaturthi.
Please do try this recipe at home and leave your comments below. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye. Ganapati